very regular and health conscious. I'm a doctor essentially. I used to work out daily, be really worked up about looking fit. And there came a time where I was losing it all. And essentially, we are into healthcare. And Enso Care stands up and talks about delivering healthcare to the poor, to the underprivileged, by virtue of the public-private partnerships that we have got into. It was then we thought that it's not only important to look up to a sport which you can like or enjoy. We all love cricket, we all love football, and what you asked me, I still have to look for, have started or develop a love for rugby for that matter. But yeah, cycling because it does spread a feeling of wellness. It does bring about a habit of being fit, keeping fit. And it brings about energy. I mean, we talk about burning fat, not fuel. Now you are the engine, you find the champion in you. So it's been a journey of 3, 4 years now. And every year has been a learning. I guess, why cycling? Because it's only because of cycling that so many people here can come together and want to be a part of it. We were born on cycles. Ours is the second largest economy, where we manufacture the second largest manufacturer of cycles in the world. I guess everyone from common man to politicians to everybody, somewhere in their life have actually sat on a cycle and enjoyed it. It's only when we grow up and we become who we are, we tend to forget the two tires and look out for our four wheels. So it was an effort to bring people together, to love yourself, to love the sport, and more about feeling good and feeling green.
So, do you think that after the cyclothon, it is probably going to be the manpower that will be replacing the horsepower?
Well, I think I'll leave that to John. I'm sure he's talking about a lot of horsepower on two wheels. Yes, manpower has always been the crux and the heart of every engine. So it has been the essence of the willpower and the manpower that has made successful organizations, successful sports, or successful thought processes.
Thank you so much for your time, sir. Please enjoy the press conference with us.